Can you hear the difference? What's up guys, Kurt here from Third Island Productions, again at the Old Dominion University recording studio, and today we're doing a good old-fashioned preamp shootout. So as you guys know, whenever we come to ODU to do some videos, we run a lot of things through the SSL, almost everything actually, because it's at our disposal. It's a pretty nice console that pretty much nobody can afford. I thought it would be fun to compare the SSL preamps to a cheaper interface that I would normally use, and that would be the Focusrite 2i2. This is a great interface that I've used several times and a lot of people use it. It's the most popular budget interface on the market, and I think it's a really good sound for what it is. Is the SSL the right option for you, or is the Scarlett the right option for you? Let's find out.
Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see the next one, click right here. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell for notifications. Down below in our description, you'll see a link to our website and our socials. Thank you guys. Have an awesome one.